So, if done right, it can actually bring in a lot of money into the city, into the country, because it was promoted well and it is well structured. But abantu are not happy because the mood says they're not receiving services ekumele ngabe bayawathola. Abaningi babemazi ngokuthi uThera, kodwa bengasalithandisisi lelo gama. You think he was a terror because of politics? Mm-mm. He was a terror because of his skill on the football pitch.
Politics, justice, umnoto, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Hey dola, igama uSiphumelele Zondo nondaba ofika nezindaba every single week right here kwiGagasi FM News Wrap. Namhlanje we commemorate ubaba uMusiwa Lekota, bebembiza ngoThera. Sizontshela ukuthi kwakwenziwa yini lokho. Kodwa ke, what in the World War III are we in right now? Ungathi Israel ne-United States of America baqale ba-attacker i-Iran. Iran yase ihlasela kwasani that is linked to Israel and the USA kuleya region yase Middle East. Kodwa kokuqakayo ngalokho ukuthi before he was president of the United States of America ngonyaka ka-2011, uDonald Trump wathi angeke aze ayithinte i-Iran.
I will tell you, you're not going to have a war with me, and you're not going to have a third world war with me. That I can tell you.
Section jail, as we know that they have attacked, and here's Trump justifying it to lawmakers in the United States.
Do you have someone in mind right now? Because you said all the people you did have in mind have been taken out. What do you think?
Well, most of the people we had in mind are dead. So, you know, we had some in mind from that group that is dead. And now we have another group. They may be dead also, based on reports. So I guess you have a third wave coming in. Pretty soon we're not going to know anybody.
What it also explains ukuthi angeke size sibathembe labantu abaphethe, because they can say one thing before they become world leaders, and uma sebengenile ekhundleni, it changes. You may think it's not impacting you la uhleli khona as a South African. Sibonile abanye the South Africans who are now stuck in the Middle East. They'd like to come back home because kuyaqhuma la bekhona. Bayawabuka amabhomu edlula phezu kwabo la bekhona. They'd like to come back to their families and find safety. Kodwa ke ikhona into ekhona la ukuthi kumele sazi ukuthi these are OPEC nations who are dealing in oil. U-oyela siwufaka ey'motweni zethu as upetrol. Usanda khuphuka upetrol, ungakhohlwa lokho. So as these are OPEC nations that are fighting and oil-rich countries that are contributing significantly to the petrol that we use, in all likeliness uzokhuphuka no petrol. So ungacabanga ukuthi angihlangene, but it might impact your pocket. It's also impacting kwabanye on your loved ones la bekhona eMiddle East makuwukuthi basebenza emazweni ako-UAE or Saudi Arabia nakwamanye amazwe la siqhuma khona njengamanje. There are statues. Imali kuthiwa u-22 million wamarandi. Ngama-statue awu-2 kuphela akhona edolobheni laseThekwini. So there's one at the beachfront, there's one in front of Moses Mabhida, one is of former President Nelson Mandela, one is of former leader of the African National Congress, O.R. Tambo. Abantu-ke bayamasha abanye bathi aswadingi lama statues, but uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa uyakhuluma ngawo.
Without heaping praise on you here in eThekwini, that the model that you have enabled us to build here has been the most effective. We found you to be the most cooperative bunch of people to work with. It's been very fulfilling, even to me, as I continue getting the reports of the work that is being done here. But in the end, the real witnesses are the people of our country who see Durban as the Mecca of their tourist desires and ambitions.
You realize ukuthi maningi ama-statue Nelson Mandela no-OR Tambo all over the country, and abantu in the past have not really raised any questions ngalawo ma-statue, but the mood has changed. Abantu are not happy ngezinto ey'ningi, and sometimes ama-leaders uma ngabe kuwukuthi asho izinto ku-installwa ama-statue, kumele babheke i-mood at that particular moment ukuthi ithini, kodwa-ke kade afakwa. Into esingayisho nje ukuthi-ke nawo lama-statue akhiwe uLungelo Gumede owakhona la eThekwini, so maybe people from KZN can celebrate ukuthi umuntu wendawo wenza umsebenzi omuhle kangaka masiwabuka lama-statues, these beautiful sculpted statues. Kodwa-ke abantu abanye bakhona bathi they're not happy, but when done right, ama-statue in different parts of the world, statues and monuments. You think of Brazil, khona esikhulu, the Jesus Christ statue. Siletha abantu befuna ukushutha naso. You may think of the Eiffel Tower, for example, at Paris, France. Abantu bafuna ukushutha ne-Eiffel Tower. The Statue of Liberty, America, bafuna ukushutha naso abantu. So if done right, it can actually bring in a lot of money into the city, into the country, because it was promoted well and it is well structured. But abantu are not happy because the mood says they're not receiving services ekumele ngabe bayawathola. Abanye bakhala ngamanzi eThekwini, uthi asiwathola amanzi kodwa kunama-statue asefakiwe. A couple of days ago, we got news ukuthi uBaba uMosiwa Lekota akasekho. Abaningi babemazi ngokuthi uThera, kodwa bengasalithandisisi lelo gama. You think he was a terror because of politics? He was a terror because of his skill on the football pitch. So uBaba uMosiwa Lekota was once on Robben Island, boshela ukuthi wayeshoshovu that was fighting against the apartheid government. Wayehleli nabo oBaba Nelson Mandela, waphuma waqhubeka waba ko-UDF. Siyazi ukuthi kwakhona i-UDF at the time. The ANC was not allowed to operate South Africa. Kwathi izinto seyishintshile-ke, wabuya weza ngakhona kwe-ANC. He became the first premier of the Free State Province ngo-1994. Ngo-1999 esengena uBaba uThabo Mbeki eba upresident wase-South Africa, he then became the Minister of Defense. He became a Mbeki loyalist, and he really believed in the politics of Thabo Mbeki and was against Thabo Mbeki being removed as president of the country, to the point that he went on to start his own political party with Mbazima Shilowa, a Congress of the People, a COPE, la ayixabana khona kaningi-ke nayo i-ANC.
In about 1974, we went into detention, among others. And in the course of that, we had to respond to this challenge. And I want to say to you, you invited me last week. We had to respond to that challenge. Your invitation last week was late. The challenge we had to respond to was that time. And you, with us in detention, when it was difficult, you wrote to the special branch that we put communist ideas in your head. In doing so, you condemned us.
Kwaseke sekuba ukuqala kwey'nkinga ze-ANC, because that was essentially the first splinter from the ANC that went on to take very many members of the ANC. Because you'd remember that for that second term, aqoshwa ngayo uThabo Mbeki, the ANC had a 2/3 majority. Ayiphindanga yawuthola lo 2/3 majority after that splinter, after the ouster of uThabo Mbeki, after uqalwa ko-COPE ngabo oMbazima Shilowa nabo oMosiwa Terra Lekota. And emva kwalokho-ke i-COPE yathola a significant amount, ekwakuwo 7% kulolo khetho lokuqala. Siyazi ukuthi okwalandela after that was yet another splinter, kwaphuma o-EFF, and then aqhubeka-ke ama-splinters amanye eqhamuka from the ANC, but kwakuyiwona msuka lo sebeyahamba abadala ababekhona kulona leli qembu bona obaba uMusiwa Lekota ngabe ikusasa lalo leli qembu ngoba ibona babekhona beyishoshovu bekhona nako Robben Island but baqhubeka nalo iqembu baze bathi sesikhathele ilona siyoqala wethu amaqembu siyazibona inkinga zisekhona kuze kube namhlanje ngoba iqembu selingaphansi kwa 50% elalijwayele ukuthi liyawuthola njengoba silibona liko GNU kuthi ke ngabe ikusasa lithini njengoba sebehamba abantu ababeyishoshovu zalo leli qembu baze bayoqala amaqembu abo. All right, and that's all we have for you. Igama ubhekane Siphumelele Zondo uyazi ukuthi siyehlangane mina nawe la sihlangane khona kodwa ke uqhubeke uyibheke le podcast yethu ikhona lapha ku app ye Gagasi FM and now if you want to participate in this conversation you can always share your views khona la ngaphansi kodwa ke kumina nalithimba have a good one so ikhuluma la sikhuluma khona masihlangana bukhoma.
Catch a brand new episode njalo ngolwesihlanu ngo4 ntambama. You can watch the podcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.